Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm late. I was I was doing a few things. How are we doing? I believe I'm live on YouTube as well. There we go. I think I am. How do I check? What's up, Mighty? Kia ora, everybody. Congrats on the wedding. Thank you, man. Oh yeah. Let me check. I am live on YouTube. Hey! Hello, YouTube. Hello to Arinko, Dan, and DefTick. This is my first time trying to stream on YouTube as well. So I'm live on Twitch as well. So kia ora everyone on YouTube. Hope you're well. Yeah, first time streaming. I'm here. You got married? Yeah, I've been married for about a month now. Yeah, a month now. We got married on the 23rd of March. Wait, is that a month? My counting's not that good. Hello from Ireland. Hey, brother. How's it over there in Ireland, brother? Is the sound okay on YouTube? Like, is everything fine? I just want to make sure we're running smoothly. Like, can you hear any music at all? I've got ambient Skyrim music on at the moment. So kia ora YouTube, nice to see you all live for once. My name is Broxh, I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver and I touch wood in the morning, literally. How are we? No music? Oh jeez, that's not bloody good, eh? I don't know why it keeps stopping. Congrats, thank you very much guys. Yeah, it's been a journey so far for this last month. But to those that have just joined us, kia ora, hello. Kia ora means hello in my native tongue. I have no idea why the music's lagging. I might have to just play some of my beats off the laptop. But yeah, this is what I've been doing lately. So this is a hoi, otherwise known as a pedal. So this is a bit of a special project because my uncle who taught me how to woodcarve recently passed away, and so all his commissions kind of fell to me, and well, I got to finish them to honor his legacy, you know. So yeah, this is all we're doing. So this is more for decorative purposes. If you're getting a bit kinky with your thoughts, it's not one of those pedals, okay? What's up, Bean? Nice to hear the life is going well. Yeah. It's going good as it should, brother. How do I check how many people are watching on YouTube? I have no idea. Yeah, so here's one he finished before he passed away. So I'll only ever be using this YouTube channel for carving. Yeah, I don't plan on dual streaming like games at all. I'd rather make another channel for that. So this is my uncle's pedal here that he finished. We'll start from the top here, so you can see that. Got the handle. So the main reason why I'm not going to carry on carving this is because in our culture when the eyes are in, that means it can see, it can feel, and you don't want to carve it while the eyes are in, pretty much. Yeah. Hello from Louisiana. Yeah, brother. Yeah. So not used to pedal either, you know. But this is initially the what he went with, so I kind of went with the same shape. Not ideally the shape I'd like to go for. I like to do the more sleek kind of pedal, but gotta go with what the man did before me. Top of chat says 29 people. Oh, okay, not too bad, not too bad. I understand a lot of people would have stopped following the YouTube because I was very inactive. But yeah, man, my chest is like cold as, my hands are numb, but I'll cover for you guys. So wild as winter where you are, North Carolina in the States, it's just starting to get hot. Oh, yeah. What's up, Ty? Yeah, so we're slowly going into winter here. So what the plan today is, we'll do the back here. I want to take more of a dip out of the pedal, like just to get that backflow going. We'll take these sides out, and then we'll look at taking a bit more meat off this pedal. This is too thick for me, to be honest. But yeah, that's the plan today. Kia ora, Chantal, morena. Frosty in the Hawke's Bay. Oh yeah. Hello again, YouTube. Alright, let's go, eh? Oops, what did I just drop? Ah, just a pencil. Hey, Broxh coming from Toronto. Kia ora, brother. Jeez, it'll be cold as there, eh? Now, before we start, the real almighty, thank you very much for the brand new T1. Before we start, I just want to let you all know, it has been 4 years since I started streaming, and I am more open to subs these days. That was only due to my grandmother changing my mind about it. But yeah, if you enjoy the stream, feel free to just carry on doing what you're doing, and we'll keep moving, eh? I don't know why this music keeps stopping, so I'll just play some beats. So we don't have to worry about it. Hey bro, I have a question. How did you find your happiness, and were you down at some point in my life? I've mentioned this before, but I was too young to know. I think a big turning point in my life. So I'm gonna have a bit of a chat before we start carving because of this question. I think a big turning point in my life was when I lost my sister when she was 3. And the main reason I say that, like, because as I've mentioned, I was the last one, you know, to see her on this planet that we live on. So she passed away when I was 3, or when she was 3 and I was 5. Why is the music stopping? Okay, so that's her there. I don't know if you can see that. That's me and her. But as I said before, like, I remember everything, like the moment we crossed the road, to the impact from the car, to seeing her in the gutter, you know, and then in the ambulance, all that kind of stuff. And even at a young age, I think that's where it turned for me, like, personally, and then kind of grew from there, because I was too young. I didn't know what grief was, like, at all. And it took me a while to understand what happened, and like, I'd say that's the most down I've ever been. Like, even today I still, like, think about it, you know. There's not a day goes by that I don't initially think about it too. But I have no idea what's going on in the music. Sorry if it's stopping. Now that I'm older, I've only just found real happiness in my life too. Like I was happy, like being grateful for the life that I was living. But I only just found real, true happiness through my children, pretty much. Like they're like, and my wife too. But probably the most has been through my kids. Yeah. I'm a dad of two. Thanks for being honest. Oh, I'm honest all the time. Like, for me personally, I can only speak for myself. I'm not, you know, some big hotshot streamer. But yeah, I only speak for myself when I say that, you know, I'm a normal person that, you know, eats, sleeps and shits and has good days and bad days as well. But at the end of the day, it's all comes down to how we overcome it, you know. And my children help me through tough times, and my wife too. Like, I'll tell the stream like I'm not really feeling it today, and I'm not gonna stream. But anyway, that's enough about me. Let's touch some wood. Alright. Sorry about. Is the music stopping for you guys? Congrats on the marriage, by the way. Thank you, man. Now I have no idea what happens on YouTube, so sorry if I miss anything. Like, you gotta follow that kind of stuff. Someone has to YouTube lingo train me. Sup, Trash Karma? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime and welcome with the raid. Yeah, someone has to YouTube lingo train me. Oh yeah. If it keeps stopping, I might just stop playing it, eh? Gosh, you might have to be like Liver King. Carve with no music, he trains with no music. But my body's all natural. My muscles are just relaxing. You're after subs on YouTube. So how do I tell? Do I have to set stuff up for that? Because I don't want to be rude and like miss anything. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. So we're focusing more on this side today. So we want to get that dip going on. And then I want to go to the back of it. Keep in mind that it might take me a while to start moving because my hands are numb. Hey! Hello, Carp. Thank you very much for the 20 months, my bro. Another project coming along beautifully. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, this one's a bit of a special one, my bro. This is my late uncle's commissions. So the one who taught me. Subs are free on YouTube. Members are... Wait, I have gang members? Oh, members. Members are the paid one, which you don't have to set up. Oh, what if I can't... Oh, I don't have any emotes for members on YouTube, though. I feel bad. How cold is it where you are? Cold enough to wear shorts. Namir, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Oh, sorry YouTube, I got no emotes on my channel, or is that not a thing? Twitch, can we get some Broxh wave and salutes and flowers in the chat for YouTube, who's currently watching now? No, you don't have to set up. Okay. Oh, cool. But are you all good though, YouTube? You's all sweet, you's chilling. I just want you to have the most relaxing view as you can. Get yourself a wine or something. Oh no, don't get a wine because it's morning somewhere around the world other than here. Get a cup of tea and a biscuit. Can't go wrong with a cup of tea and a biscuit there, YouTube. Also, YouTube, I gotta ask, do these VODs go straight up? Oh, I don't smoke weed. It's from somewhere. Oh. Looks dense. Oh, it's pretty soft there. It's like a real soft timber. So, to those on YouTube, you would have seen that we've been working on Coil's piece. And I recently just sent it off a couple days ago. And now we're on this one. So these ain't due till November. They just told me this morning. So, but I want to get them done. I mean, seaweed. Wait, isn't it supposed to be kelp? 12 at night. Hey, I see you doing these secret missions to the fridge to look in there for 5 minutes and get nothing. I see you. Now, YouTube and Twitch, if you have any questions about whakairo, feel free to ask, okay? Whakairo is traditional Māori wood carving. It has been a part of my culture for bloody years. Years and years and years. It was a way for our ancestors to tell our myths, stories and legends because we had no written form of language. We were more of an oral culture, you know? Speaking face to face. That's how I like to do things as well. Yo, Epic Broxh, you know what? Because you said that, I'll do something for you, okay? Oh, this is not going in. Because you said my crocs are epic, I've got you. Sports mode activated. Love from Kurdistan. Oh, kia ora. Where's everyone from in YouTube and Twitch right now? Chat, we have 50 minutes left on our hype train. Keep the hype train going. Save the turtles. Michigan, kia ora from Perth. Oh, Ireland. Bro, what is happening to the music? It might be my headset that's giving out. No, then I gotta bring my beautiful Corsair headset outside, but I don't want to. Oh my gosh, what was that? Hey, AK, AK9, thank you very much for the 500 biddies, brother. A small token from Boston. Hey, keep it up, this is cool. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. So a little thing about the hoi, as you can see. Now the hoi was used obviously for peddling. More so for our wakataua. Wakataua is a war canoe. A lot of people get this, get the idea that our ancestors actually navigated here on war canoes, but that is totally wrong. Because we ventured here on wakahaurua, which are double hull canoes. And also when our people touched down, they did have hoi on the wakahaurua. Now in earlier days these did serve as weapons as well. Guatemala, hey, every time I see you, you make me smile because you have a good... Hey, as long as you're smiling, that's the main thing. That's what we want. That is what we want. See, anything you'd like to know about my culture, I'll do the best of my ability. I'm a bit of an illiterate as well, chip. The biggest word I know in English is probably supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And that's as far as it goes for me. Thank you very much, brother Randy, for the 100 biddies, brother. What's up, Rio? What's up, big dog? Yeah, that's the biggest word I know, guys. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. stayed up a bit too late last night as well, watching some Liberty Walk YouTube videos. What do you think about Muslims? Oh, nothing really. Do you? I haven't really thought about anything like that, but you know, we're all people at the end of the day. I love learning about anything Māori. All right. Well, I'll tell you what. One thing about us, we don't sound like Korg. Korg sounds like us. No. Looks so fun, like welding. Oh, bro, I love good. So I've been checking out Weld Talk. Oh, you know, welding on TikTok. Man, some of the designs they come up with, eh? I don't even weld, and I was having a weld-gasm. What you're making? So we're just cleaning up our hoi here, so our pedal getting just that initial flow. So we took all this timber off here. I may have forgot to sweep it up, so it's been on the ground over there for about a couple of days. I still haven't bought my broom yet. But do you love reading? I'll be honest, I only ever like reading One Piece. I was that kid at school, I got books just for the pictures. Last book I read was a World of Warcraft book, and is it The Five Rings? The Book of Musashi? He's one of my favorite warriors in history outside of my own culture. What's your favorite anime? Yeah, just One Piece. I'm a one-handy anime watcher. I've only just started watching, I saw Jujutsu's on Netflix, and I might start watching that. Solo Leveling looks cool. I did watch this one called Grim Variations. The lady with the big ass hammer is pretty cool. What are we making today? Ahoy. H-O-E. So just a pedal, brother, but this is more of a decorative one. This is for a birthday. So one finished product that my uncle did. Here. Oh yeah, I've seen Edge Runners. I love that program. So this is the one my uncle did before he passed. You see? I'm just staring at my screen. If you're staring at your screen, look that way. Gotcha. As a child, we had a teacher from NZ that sang, "Oh yeah, teacher, how could you? How dare you?" And then to the left, "Oh, nice, nice. Never before, I'll try this time." How dare you? It looks awesome. So yeah, it's these are pretty much my uncle's commissions, for those that are wondering. Now with him, you know, unfortunately he passed away. They got given to me to finish. So he's finished one, I'll do this one. And there's one more I have to do, it's a much bigger one. But do you use... I can use lacquer. Yeah, usually I just use it to avoid customs, eh? they're the biggest raid boss for what I do is customs. But I haven't had any issues whatsoever since I started sending out of the country, which I'm very grateful for, not gonna lie.